Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS icons. And right now we'll be discussing about how to add an icon to your HTML CSS website. The simplest way to add an icon to your HTML page is with an icon library such as Font Awesome. And we discussed about the bootstraps icon and also the Google Font icons. Add the name of the specified icon class. This is how you can use it. You will add the name of the specified icon class to any inline HTML element like I tag or span tag. And again, all the icons in the icon libraries will be using in this chapter are scalable vectors that can be customized with CSS, size, color, shadow, and so on and so forth. Right here, we are saying that all the icons we'll be using, they are what? Scalable vectors that can be customized using your CSS, and you can specify size, colors, shadows, and so on and so forth just to control it more better. And also, if you have to specify an icon, you will use the icon class from the either Font Awesome icons or Bootstrap icon or Google icons. You use the specified icon class and you are going to specify it inside your HTML tag you want to control it with, like h1, like this I tag, and also this span tag. Also, you will just specify like this. You will write class inside it and specify the type of icon you are trying to use, maybe so. You understand? So that's what I'm here to show you for now. So I don't want us to talk too much about this because this is just an introduction, and what akorede ayofe is my name. But before I go, make sure that you note what I said here. You can control this with your CSS again by specifying size, color, shadow. You can control the icons again, and also you can use it with this I tag and this span tag, and also we can use Font Awesome or Bootstrap or Google icons. So we are going to be discussing about this more again. And what akorede ayofe is my name. Once again, I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you.